Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to head to Pick Apart in Campbellfield. Stay tuned.
Continue on M80 for 9 kilometers.
Fucking hell. Let's go over here. Alrighty guys, if you haven't noticed by now, there is a Skyline here at Pick Apart Campbellfield, so I'm going to go check it out. More rear sections like the boot, the rear bumper, because I'm just not getting this rear bumper done and the boot is flaking. So I just want to see the quality of the one that's here. Maybe a couple of little things. And like always, I'm not taking the GoPro in. I'll use my phone if I need to record anything. See you soon. Where is it? Listen. So listen. Wow, that sucked. It was in the first row, so I walked past it. Yeah, I walked past it because it didn't have a bonnet and front and wheels and everything. But the rear bumper's got a dent in it, pretty much the same spot where I had damage. And somebody pried open the boot, so the boot was turned up at the bottom, which is freaking annoying. So nothing from here. It's an earlier model as well, so all this was a bit different, but yeah. Alright, let's head home. There's mint Cleo over here. Someone's getting pulled over. Yeah, so we got Porsche Doncaster up here, a few hundred meters, more than a few hundred meters, but yeah, up here on the left. Be a dream to walk into a showroom like that, just buy brand new. Coming. Here it is. Porsche. Even if it's just a Cayman. Well, my car just died. Just put some petrol in it, and it's like the battery's dead. I just drove from Campbellfield to here, which is like an hour. It's a 100k round trip. It's like 3 minutes of it off. I don't have much luck with batteries. Must be the Century batteries. One for the rescue. Stupid Skyline. Head home. Mum's gonna go pick up Marley. I'm gonna head home.